The Jaguar S-Type is a full-size luxury sedan that was produced by Jaguar Cars from 1999 to 2008. It was designed by Ian Callum and was based on the Ford DEW platform, which also underpins the Lincoln LS. The S-Type was available with a choice of two engines, a 3.0-liter V6 and a 4.2-liter V8. The S-Type was well received by critics when it was first released, with praise for its styling, performance, and handling. However, it was also criticized for its high price and some minor interior flaws. The S-Type was not a commercial success, with sales lagging behind those of its rivals, such as the BMW 5 Series and the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. However, it has since become a cult classic among Jaguar enthusiasts. Here is a more detailed review of the Jaguar S-Type, engine and performance. The S-Type was available with two engines, a 3.0-liter V6 and a 4.2-liter V8. The V6 engine produced 235 horsepower and 215 lb-ft of torque, while the V8 engine produced 300 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. Both engines were mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The S-Type was a capable performer, with both engines providing ample power for passing and merging. The V6 engine was more fuel efficient, while the V8 engine offered a more visceral driving experience. Handling and ride, the S-Type was well balanced and handled well for a large luxury sedan. The suspension was tuned for comfort, but it still provided good body control in corners. The S-Type was also relatively agile for its size, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Interior and features, the S-Type's interior was luxurious and well appointed. The seats were comfortable and supportive, and the materials used throughout the cabin were of high quality. The S-Type was also well equipped, with standard features such as leather upholstery, a sunroof, and a premium sound system. Safety, the S-Type was a safe car, with good crash test ratings from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. The S-Type came standard with front impact airbags, side impact airbags, and side curtain airbags. Overall, the Jaguar S-Type is a well-rounded luxury sedan that offers a good combination of performance, handling, luxury, and safety. It is not the most affordable luxury sedan on the market, but it is a good value for the money. If you are looking for a stylish, comfortable, and capable luxury sedan, the Jaguar S-Type is a good option to consider. Here are some pros and cons of the Jaguar S-Type. Pros: stylish design, responsive handling, comfortable ride, luxurious interior. Long list of standard features. Cons: high price, some minor interior flaws, not as fuel efficient as some rivals. Overall, the Jaguar S-Type is a good luxury sedan that offers a lot of value for the money. It is not the most affordable option on the market, but it is a good choice for those who are looking for a stylish, comfortable, and capable luxury sedan.